Okay, so we are going to do a style that has been saving my life lately. My hair is hella dirty, hella messy. Yeah, so let's get started. You just need some water in a spray bottle, a bristle brush, a comb, a hair tie, and
Bye.
This clip-on bun from Amazon I've been loving. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start with just spraying down the front of my hair. Now, my hair is hella dirty, so I have a ton of product in it. If your hair is clean or not as dirty as mine, I would suggest some kind of holding gel, but I legit had so much shit in my hair already, it just held in place. So now I'm going to start with a part. I usually will do my part a little lower on the side, sort of where that dip is in my hairline. And I like to take this part back as far as possible. It's just a little more dramatic. I just love a part. I don't like my hair slicked straight back. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and start slicking it back with the bristle brush. And it takes a lot to get this little hair back. Like, she is not used to being slicked down anymore. So you can see I'm gonna sit here and slick her back, add water, slick her back. So yeah, after I get it slicked all the way back, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in a ponytail.
Six months later.
Okay, so now that I finally got that mess slicked all the way back, I'm going to go ahead and put it in like a little bun. It's not in a complete ponytail. And here I'm just pulling out some pieces because I have a flat spot there on my head. And we try to hide her as much as we can. And this is all the baby hairs that I'm doing. I'm too grown to be doing these baby hairs. That works for other people, but not for me. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and just touch it up, just slick, some pieces back there, a little more water, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so you can see in the back, it's not completely perfectly slicked back, but this is a big bun, so it covers a lot of surface back there, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So this has 2 clips, and then it has the bungee cord to secure on your hair. It really holds it in place. So what I do is clip on either side. If you wanted to go top to bottom, you can, but I just like to clip that on the side there. It's just easier to do. And then you just take the drawstring and tighten it. And then I just wrap it around my actual ponytail, and it stays really secure that way. You can go back in and bobby pin it if you feel like it's just not secure enough, but I have tested this outside in the wind and it stays in place pretty well. Okay, so that is it. If you guys want to check out the full tutorial on the bun, I did a full one on the bright blue one, so I'll make sure to link that at the end of the video so you can check that out. But yeah, I absolutely love these. They're super easy to use. The quality of these buns are amazing, and this is a look that I did to go with this hairstyle. I will also make sure to link that at the end of this video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.